Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to a web app called Multi-AI Brainstorming Monju. Monju is an AI-driven brainstorming app that provides you with idea lists, mind maps, affinity diagrams, and evaluations of mind maps, all within just 1 minute. It's designed to inspire you and offer insights during your planning phase. So let's dive in and see how it works. First, open your browser and go to monju.ai. You'll see the initial screen. In the center, you can set a theme or topic as a prompt to generate and summarize ideas. For this video, I've already set the topic, How to Survive in the Era of Emerging AI. You can choose any topic, from daily life issues to business and social challenges. However, be cautious about entering any confidential information, as the app uses major large language models like GPT, Claude, and Gemini, which might be used for model learning. Below the text area, you'll find two sliders, one labeled Number of Ideas to Generate by AI, and the other, Freedom, the bigger the stranger. These options allow you to adjust the output. If you're unsure, you can leave them at their default values. Once you're ready, click the Start button at the bottom of the input screen. A pop-up will appear, double-checking your settings. Click Yes to proceed, and the app will begin brainstorming. The screen will transition to a results screen, zooming in on an anime character's face, which then fades away with a shimmer effect. You'll see the text Brainstorming in Progress along with a counter at the top center. After about 10 seconds, the brainstorming results will appear on the left side of the screen. A purple button indicates Ready to Show, while a black button means Not Ready Yet, AI still working on it. First, the idea list is ready to show. Click the Idea List button and you'll see 3 columns. GPT, Claude, and Gemini provide ideas for the topic, displayed in a list. You can read them carefully and even copy them to your clipboard to paste into a text editor or memo tool for later use. Next, let's look at the graphs. One is a mind map. The AI summarizes the ideas after generation, working in the background. It's visually laid out, with the main question at the center and different branches for categories and ideas. You can use it as a reference for practical solutions. You can save it as an image by clicking the Save as Image button in PNG format. Be sure not to switch to another result while laying out the graph, or it will revert to the initial layout. There's another graph called the affinity diagram, brought to you by another ideation method known as the KJ method. The affinity diagram might offer you a different perspective on the ideas. This diagram can also be laid out and saved in PNG format. Finally, we reach the evaluation section with the same question. This part is set up with 3 columns, just like the idea list, showing an overall evaluation, positive points, and areas for improvement. It's feedback on the brainstorming results. You can also copy this to your clipboard to think more deeply about the topic. If you feel inspired or confident about the topic, you can close the session. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can continue with another topic or pick up keywords from the areas for improvement and try another session. However, you'll need to close the session first, as the app currently doesn't support saving session records. Each session is independent. You can finish using the app by closing your browser window or clicking the Home button to return to the initial screen. All right, that's all for the explanation of Monju. What do you think? I believe this app will support your activities. Enjoy and boost your creativity. Thanks for watching.